Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. We're here to give you a comprehensive review of all the sections of the OKX Exchange. OKX Exchange is one of the innovative and well-known platforms in the world of cryptocurrency, operating with the goal of providing advanced financial services based on blockchain technology. This exchange was founded in 2017 and today provides services to millions of users in over 100 countries. In terms of service variety, OKX is one of the most comprehensive exchanges in the global market. Its main services include spot trading, margin trading, options and futures contracts, DeFi market, lending services, as well as mining and investment. By offering hundreds of trading pairs and high liquidity, especially in the derivatives market, this exchange has managed to secure its position among the top exchanges in terms of trading volume. Some of the key advantages of this exchange include a wide variety of trading products, high liquidity, impressive trading volume, and competitive fees. The platform of this exchange is very user-friendly, featuring advanced technical analysis tools that make it suitable for both beginner and professional users. On this exchange, you can find various investment and earning opportunities, and it also supports the NFT marketplace and Web3 wallet. Some of the drawbacks you might encounter with this exchange include the requirement for full identity verification for large and high-value withdrawals, as well as relatively high withdrawal fees for cryptocurrencies in certain cases. Alright, to register on this exchange, go to the OKX.com website and click on the Sign Up option here. On the first page, you enter your country of residence and agree to the website's terms and conditions. Now, on the next page, you enter your email address and click on the Sign Up button. A code has been sent to your email, which you need to enter here to verify your email address. In the next step, you also need to enter your mobile phone number to register on this website, and then enter the code that has been sent to your phone here. Now, in the following step, you need to set a password for your account. Alright, your account has been successfully created. Immediately after creating your account, you will be taken to the verification page, where you can choose your account type and verify your user account. For full verification, you need to provide an identification document such as a passport, ID card, or driver's license. You will also need to take a selfie of yourself. And in the final step, to verify your place of residence, you will need a document that clearly states your address and name. After providing this information and documents, your verification will be successfully completed. If you need more information about how to complete the verification, you can watch a separate video we have made specifically for verification, where you can see all the steps in detail. Alright, after logging into your account and completing the verification, you will see this page. Here, you have access to various options, and in the rest of the video, we will explain each of these sections to you one by one. In the first section, you have the Buy Crypto option, where you can access P2P trading. On the Express page, you can use your local currency to buy various cryptocurrencies, and you also have the option to sell these assets. And in the P2P trading section, you can carry out your transactions with individuals and other traders. On this page, as you can see, different people display their currency rates and the amount of their assets here, and you can trade with them. The payment methods are shown to you here, and you can use the filters in this section to find the deal that suits you best. In the P2P trading section, you trade directly with real people without any intermediaries, and the OKX Exchange acts as a guarantor for both parties here. Now, moving on, in the Discover section, you have three options: Market, Opportunities, and Marketplace. In the Market section, you can see the various markets and assets that you can trade on the OKX Exchange. As we mentioned before, the OKX Exchange supports various markets for investment and trading, and it can provide you with good opportunities for investment. Here, you can also see different categories for crypto assets, and at the bottom, you can view the symbol name, the price of the asset, its 24-hour changes, and the market cap. By clicking on the trade or convert options, you can trade this asset. In the next section, called Opportunities, you can once again view assets in different categories. Here, categories such as highest gainers, highest losers, as well as new, trending, and by market cap are displayed for you. In the last section, Discover, you also have access to the Marketplace option. In this section, users can use smart trading bots instead of trading directly. Here, you can see spot DCA bots. DCA stands for dollar cost averaging, which means it carries out step-by-step purchases at specific time intervals. These bots automatically purchase assets at regular intervals to lower the average purchase price. Here, a few example bots are shown, and you can see their tested returns on different assets. You can also view other various bots as you scroll down. For example, in this section, you'll find the Smart Arbitrage bots. After finding your desired bot, you can enter it. You can get more information about this bot and specify and apply your investment in this section. Alright, moving on. In the trading section, we have various options for making trades. In the first section, we have the convert option, where you can quickly convert your assets to your desired asset. You just need to enter your desired amount here. As you can see, this conversion is done without any fees, and then your balance will be converted to the target asset. The history of your previous conversions is shown in the conversion history section. Alright, in the next trading section, you have the spot option. Here, you can view different assets based on various base currencies. The spot trading section is suitable for traders with long-term investments. Here, you become the actual owner of an asset, and trades are carried out without leverage. You can also transfer the purchased asset to your personal wallet or to other exchanges. On this page, after selecting your desired asset, you can add it to your favorites list. Next, the latest price and price changes are displayed for you, and you can view the lowest and highest prices in the past 24 hours. The 24-hour volume and 24-hour turnover are displayed here for you. Next, on the left side, you can see the menu of different assets. You can select the asset you want to trade from the market menu or top movers. Here, you have the option to choose the market, different categories, and the base currency. Now, moving on. Here, you can view the chart of your selected asset. You can change the time frame settings here. Various charts such as Original, TradingView, Market Depth, and Market Cap will be available to you. Using the tools on the left side, you can perform your analysis on the chart. Here, various lines, Fibonacci tools, patterns, and other instruments are available to make your analysis easier. And on the right panel, you can also view the order books. Here, you can see the buy and sell orders placed by other traders, and at the bottom of the chart, the tools for opening trades will be available to you. In the Trade section, you can execute trades, and in the Tools section, you will again have access to additional tools for trading. We will explain these sections to you further in the rest of the video. Well, in the Trade section, for spot trading, you can use 3 options: Limit, Market, and TP or SL. In the Limit section, you select the exact price of the asset you want to buy, and in the Market section, you only choose the trade volume you want to open, and OKX Exchange will execute the trade for you at the best market price. After specifying the currency price, here you can enter the amount of the asset you want to buy, and after clicking the buy option, a buy order will be placed for you. Placing sell orders works the same way. And then, at the bottom of the page, you can view and manage your open orders. Here you can see your order history, assets, and the bots you use are also displayed here, and depending on the type of market you are active in, you can view your liquidity and balance. The next category in the trade section is the futures option. Here, you can once again select different assets with various base currency pairs. The main difference between futures and spot trading lies in the way trades are executed and the use of leverage. In the futures market, you profit by predicting the price. You do not actually own the underlying asset. You are only predicting the future price of that asset. Here you can make buy or long trades, as well as sell or short trades, which are predictions that the market will go down. The different sections of this market are also similar to the spot market. Just keep in mind that you can execute your trades as either cross or isolated. In cross mode, when you open a trade, that trade can use your entire balance on the exchange, whereas in isolated mode, only the funds you have allocated to that specific trade are used. Also, the section for using leverage is shown here, and keep in mind that while higher leverage can bring greater profits, it also comes with higher risk and a greater chance of liquidation. Next, you have the options section. Options trading is based on predicting market fluctuations. This market is suitable for professionals who use hedging strategies or profit from market volatility. On this page, after selecting your desired asset, you choose the date you want to make the trade, and then you can place your trade requests at different prices. Now, in the next section, there is the pre-market futures option. Here is the pre-sale market for early access to futures contracts of new projects. You can see the previously completed projects here, and if there is a new project, you can access its trades here. Next in this section, you have powerful tools. The first section is trading bots, which we previously explained in the marketplace section. Here, you can activate different bots to execute trades on your own account. Now, the next section is related to copy trading. On OKX Exchange, you can engage in copy trading in both the futures and spot markets. Overall, in the copy trading section, you can copy the trades of professional traders without needing specialized knowledge of financial markets, and every trade they make on their own account will be copied to yours as well. This section does not always guarantee profits and comes with its own risks. In the futures copy trading section, you can view and copy the top traders in the futures market. Similarly, in the spot copy trading section, you can see the top traders in the spot market. Here, you have the option to find a suitable trader based on various filters, and after reviewing all the account information of that person, if you think they can be profitable for you, you can copy this trader by clicking on the Copy Now button on this page and entering your investment details. If you'd like to use this feature, you can watch our separate video on our channel where we've explained all the different parts of copy trading in detail. Alright, moving on. We explained the Marketplace section in the Trade tab, and now you're seeing the Nitro spread section. This part is for high liquidity spread trading in futures trading. Here is one of the professional tools for futures traders that allows you to trade on the price difference between two futures contracts. In fact, this tool lets you execute spread trading strategies easily and with concentrated liquidity. This section is intended for professional and institutional traders, and we do not recommend its use for beginner traders. The next section, called RFQ or Request for Quote, means asking for a price quote. This tool is specifically for professional traders and financial institutions who want to execute large orders and complex trades in several parts, outside the public market or under special conditions. This section is suitable for block trades, which means orders with very large volumes. The advantage of using this section is to execute large orders without affecting the market price, and it allows for the implementation of advanced and combined strategies. And as we mentioned, if you are a day-to-day trader, you probably don't need this section. It's more suitable for large investors, financial companies, and highly professional traders. In the last part of trading, you also have the demo trading option. Here, you get a practice account for risk-free trading exercises. You can select your desired market here and proceed to trade or test your various strategies. The market price moves exactly like the real live market, but the assets you are given are for a demo account and just for testing. Alright, now as we continue explaining the sections of the OKX Exchange, we have the growth section. In the first part of this section, the Earn option is available to you with 3 subcategories: Simple Earn, Double Investment, and Unchained Earn. In the Simple Earn section, you can earn profits through straightforward deposits. This works in such a way that you hold or stake various assets in this market either flexibly or with a fixed term, and by holding and depositing these assets, you receive interest. Keep in mind that the displayed interest rates are shown to you based on the annual rate. On this page, in the Earn Overview section, you can see a summary of your earning status across different investment areas. The next section is the BTC Yield Plus option. This section, which has recently been added to the OKX Exchange, is one of the investment services where you can earn interest in addition to holding your Bitcoin. You need to lock your Bitcoin here. You will receive a fixed or, in some cases, variable interest. This interest can come from sources like staking, lending, or others, and in some cases, bonuses or special campaigns are applied to increase the yield. Next, you have the dual investment option. This section allows you to earn returns regardless of market fluctuations. The difference between this section and Simple Earn is that it offers a higher yield, and here you invest in one of the currencies, for example, Tether or Bitcoin. You set a target price and a maturity date, and depending on the market price at the maturity date, you will receive your profit either in the first currency or the second currency. And the last section of earnings is the On-Chain Earn option, where you can earn profits through blockchain projects like token staking. Different projects and programs are displayed here, and you can invest in these products based on their conditions and annual yield. The next section in the Grow tab is the Loan option. In this section, you can receive a loan from the OKX Exchange. The process works by putting up a cryptocurrency as collateral, receiving a loan, and then being able to use the loaned funds for investment. And in the last part of the Grow tab, you have the Jumpstart option. Here is the OKX Launchpad platform, where you can see new crypto projects that you can invest in before they hit the broader market. Here, new projects like token pre-sales are usually offered with special rewards and conditions. The next tab is related to the Institutional section. In the Institutional Home section, you can find more information about this area. Keep in mind that this section is suitable for institutional traders and is not practical for everyday trading. Also, in the Liquid Marketplace section, you can once again access the page related to special trades with high liquidity. In the next section, you have the APIs option. API, or Application Programming Interface, is a programming interface that allows developers to automatically connect to the exchange's features and data. This section enables automated trading, order management, price retrieval, and efficient account management. In the next section, we have the broker program option. In this exchange, this section works in such a way that you act as an agent or intermediary between the exchange and new customers, and by introducing new customers to the exchange will pay you a percentage of the profits and fees from those new customers. And in the next section, you can see the Manage Trading Sub-Accounts option. Many traders use multiple accounts to better manage their capital and trades. Here, you can have different accounts, and larger institutions with trading teams can also use this section. In the next section, you can also see the Historical Market Data option. OKX Exchange provides you with information such as candlestick data and other similar details in both spot and futures markets. You can download and access this information. Then, in the last section under Institutional, you have Institutional Insights, where you can benefit from the latest news and announcements related to digital assets and financial markets. Next, you can see the Learn option. As you know, in order to always be successful and profitable in trading, you need to keep your information up to date. OKX Exchange has made it possible for you to access the latest information in the form of various articles on this page, so you can view and read them. Next, in the More section, you'll see two subsections, Product and Others, where some additional OKX products are displayed for you. In the first section, you'll see xBTC. This is a token issued by the OKX Exchange, and you can use this token flexibly within the DeFi ecosystem. You can see some of the benefits of using this token. In the next section, called Security of Fund, it covers the security measures taken by OKX to protect users' assets. Here, you can see detailed explanations about cold storage, two-factor authentication, and other steps taken to protect your assets. In the next section, you can see the Status option. On this page, users can check the status of various exchange services, including blockchain operations, wallet status, and any updates or scheduled downtimes. Now, next we have the Pour option. This section relates to OKX's financial transparency. In this section, documents and reports are provided that demonstrate the full backing of users' assets. In the next section, you'll also see OKX Protect, where you can view the protective measures or programs that OKX has put in place to safeguard users and their assets against fraud, hacking, and other cyber threats. And the last option in the Products section is Web3. By entering this section, you are directed to the OKX wallet, where you can access other tools related to the decentralized blockchain world. Now, in the Other section, you can see the Campaign Center option. Here, you can view all OKX campaigns, airdrop contests, and promotional events. In some cases, you can also receive rewards by completing certain tasks. The next section is the My Rewards option. Here, you are allowed to view and manage the rewards, coins, and bonuses you've earned by participating in campaigns, making trades, or inviting your friends. Next, you have the Referral and Affiliate sections. By using these sections, you can earn rewards and profits by inviting your friends. Based on the amount your friends invest and deposit, you will receive a percentage of that amount as a reward. Also, in the Affiliate section, you can do this more professionally with higher commissions. Next, the OKX Ventures option refers to the Venture Capital section, which invests in dynamic projects and startups in the fields of blockchain, Web3, and cryptocurrency. This section is usually suitable for entrepreneurs and developers of new projects. And in the next section, The trade on TradingView indicates the integration of OKX with the TradingView platform. As you know, TradingView is a popular platform for financial charts and technical analysis, and this feature allows users to directly connect their OKX account through the TradingView interface and execute trades. The last part of the More section is the application listing, which is suitable for crypto project teams who want to list their tokens on OKX. They can submit their official request for their token to be reviewed and listed on this exchange through this form. Now, moving on, we get to the crypto search section. Here, you can search for the asset you want and go directly to its market. The deposit option is also available here, where you can select different assets and, after choosing the network, view your wallet address in OKX. After selecting all the assets, at the bottom of the page you'll see the minimum deposit amount and the estimated time for the transaction to complete. Now, in the Assets section, the first part lets you see a summary of your overall account status. Deposit, convert, withdraw, and transfer options between your accounts are available, and you can view your assets here. On this page, by clicking on the Withdraw option, you can once again select the asset you want, and you'll have access to two options, on-chain withdrawal and internal withdrawal. With the first option, you can transfer your asset to a personal wallet outside the exchange, and with the internal withdrawal option, you can transfer your OKX account asset to another person's account within the same exchange. After selecting the cryptocurrency, you also choose its network, and you need to enter your personal wallet address here. After entering the address, you input the amount you want to withdraw, and at the bottom of the page, the network fee will be displayed to you. If you'd like to see step-by-step instructions for deposits and withdrawals on OKX, you can search for your desired method and the name of the OKX Exchange in our channel and view tutorials for deposits and withdrawals using all available methods. Now that you're in the Assets section, here you can view your assets in different accounts, funding, trading, and grow. Also, in the Analysis section, you can see a summary of your account's overall profit or loss status with various charts. In the Order Center section, you can view your open orders as well as the history of your orders and completed trades. In the Fees section, based on your account level, the trading fees for different markets are displayed to you. In the Account Statement section, you can view your monthly or customized statement, and in the last section, the Pour reports are displayed. Next, in the User Menu section, you can see your account UID. The Switch Sub-Account option will be available to you, and once again, you will see the Overview option. By entering the Profile section, you can view the information you provided when registering your account, and in the Security section, you can add or edit your account security settings. Settings such as adding a password or an authenticator app are available here, and if you wish, you can freeze or completely close your account at the bottom of this page. Also, the option to verify your account is available here, and you can also change your country or region afterwards. After updating your country or region, you will need to complete the verification process again. In the next section, you have Preferences, where you can change the website language, currency unit, and also the chart colors. You can also change the time zone here. Next, you can manage your sub-accounts on this page, and as we explained in the API section, your API keys will be available here, and you can create a new API key for yourself. And in the last section, which is third-party authorization, you can grant third-party software access to your account. Keep in mind that you should pay attention to which software has sufficient security, and whenever you want, you can revoke that software's access in this section. In the next section, by scanning this QR code, you can install the OKX app on your mobile phone, and after that, the website notifications will be displayed to you here. Next, if you have any questions or issues in any part of the website, you can first visit the support center using this option. Here, in the self-service section, you can find answers to your questions in different categories. Also, in this section, you can leave a ticket for the support team, and in the Connect section, you can join OKX Exchange on various social media platforms. Again, in this section, you have the option to change the website's language and currency unit, and if you need help or a clearer answer, you can connect with the OKX Smart Assistant by clicking on this option. In this section, you can see some categories and frequently asked questions, and after asking your own question, the Exchange's Smart Assistant will respond to you. Also, if you need to talk to online support, you can use the phrase connect to human or talk to agent, and you will immediately be connected to an online support agent who will answer your questions in real time. Well, that was the complete tutorial for the OKX Exchange. If you need more specialized training on any part of this exchange, you can visit our YouTube channel. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.